Welcome to General Mathematics Quarter 1, Module 2, Evaluating Functions for Senior High School, brought to you by the Department of Education. This module covers Module 2, pages 10 to 13, presented by yours truly. What's more, Module 2, page 10, write your answers on a separate sheet of paper. Independent Practice 1, Fill Me. Evaluate the following functions by filling up the missing parts of the solution. Number 1. F of x equals 3x minus 5. Find f of 2. Solution. F of 2 is equal to 3x, that would be 3 times 2 minus 5. 3 times 2 is 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. Hence, final answer for f of 2 is equal to 1. Number 4. P of A is equal to negative 4A minus 2. Find P of 2A. So P of 2A is equal to negative 4 times 2A minus 2. So negative 4 times 2A is negative 8A minus 2. And we cannot simplify this anymore, so our final answer is negative 8A minus 2. Number 5. G of t is equal to t squared minus 2. Find g of negative 2. G of negative 2 is equal to, instead of t, we change t to negative 2. So negative 2 squared minus 2. Negative 2 squared is 4 minus 2 from minus 2. So 4 minus 2 is 2. So g of negative 2, final answer is 2. Independent Assessment 1, Module 2, page 11. Evaluate. Evaluate the following functions. Write your answer and complete solution on separate paper. Number 1. Given w of n is equal to n minus 1. Find the value of the function if w is equal to negative 1. Solution. Wn is equal to n minus 1. W of negative 1 is equal to n would be negative 1 then minus 1, and so W of negative 1 is equal to negative 2. Final answer is negative 2. Evaluate the function w of x equals absolute value of negative 2x plus 3 if x is equal to negative 1. Solution. W of x is equal to negative 2x plus 3. We change x to negative 1. So that would be equal to absolute value of negative 2 times negative 1 plus 3. W of negative 1 is equal to negative 2 times negative 1 is equal to positive 2 plus 3. Hence, 2 plus 3 is absolute value of 5. And absolute value of 5 is positive 5. Hence, the final answer is positive 5. Independent Practice 2, Module 2, page 12. True or solve. Analyze the following functions by evaluating its value. Write true if the indicated answer and solution is correct. If not, rewrite the solution to arrive with the correct answer on the space provided. Number 1. Evaluate f of t is equal to 2t minus 3. F of t squared. Solution. That would be f of t squared is equal to 2. T will be replaced with t squared. 2t squared minus 3. And we multiply 2 by t squared, that would be 2t squared. Then we copy minus 3, hence our final answer is 2t squared minus 3, and the solution is correct, hence it is true. Given the function f of x is equal to 5x minus 7 over 3x minus 2, find the value of the function if x is equal to negative 3. So let's check the solution. So we replace all x with negative 3. So f of negative 3 is equal to 5 times negative 3 minus 7 over 3 times negative 3 minus 2. This is correct. F of negative 3 is equal to 5 times negative 3 is negative 15 minus 7 over 3 times negative 3 is negative 9 minus 2. And this is also correct. F of negative 3 is equal to negative 15 minus 7 is not 22, but negative 22 over negative 9 minus 2. Negative 9 minus 2 is not 11, but negative 11. Hence, this solution is wrong. This also follows that negative 2 is wrong. Hence, the final answer would be, that would be from negative 22 over negative 11, that would give us positive 2. Final answer would be f of negative 3 is equal to 2. Evaluate g of x is equal to 3 raised to x if x is equal to 4 over 3. So g 4 over 3 is equal to, we replace 4 over 3 to the exponent x, so that would be 3 raised to 4 thirds, and we convert it into its square root form, root form, so that would be cube root of 3 raised to 4. Then cube root of 3 raised to 4, that's equal to cube root of 81. And then 81 can be simplified or factored as cube root of 27 times 3. And 27 has a cube root, which is actually 3. And so the final answer would be 3 cube root of 3, and the solution is all correct, so this is true. Independent Assessment 2, Module 2, page 13. Find my value. Evaluate the following functions. Write your solution on a separate paper. Number 1. G of x is equal to 5x minus 7. Find g of x squared plus 1. So that would be for the solution, g of x squared plus 1 is equal to 5, which we replace x with x squared plus 1 minus 7, and then we simplify. So 5 times x squared is 5x squared plus 5 times 1 is 5. And so we copy minus 7, so that would be 5x squared plus 5 minus 7. And we can still simplify 5 minus 7, and that would be 5x squared minus 2. Hence, our final answer would be 5x squared minus 2. Number 3, k of x is equal to 3x squared minus 1 over 2x plus 4. Find k of negative 3. So we replace all x values with negative 3. And so we have k negative 3 is equal to 3x squared, that would be 3 times negative 3 squared minus 1 over 2x plus 4, that would be 2 times negative 3 plus 4. And then we simplify. We have 3 times negative 3 squared, that would be minus 1, that would be 3 times 9 minus 1 over 2 times negative 3 is negative 6 plus 4. Then 3 times 9 is actually 27. We copy minus 1 over negative 6 plus 4 is actually negative 2. And so 27 minus 1 is 26 over negative 2. And 26 divided by negative 2 is negative 13. Hence, our final answer is negative 13. Module 2, page 13 to 14. What I have learned. Refer in your module to answer the following. Complete the following statements to show how you understood the different types of functions. Answer using your own words. Refer in your module to answer the following. Fill in the blanks to show how we evaluate functions. Module 2 Assessment. Please answer the assessment test on a yellow paper in your Module 2 Evaluating Functions on pages 15 to 17 and submit it on the designated date of submission for modular activities. Write the letter and its corresponding answer. You may also answer the same assessment link by clicking http://bit.ly/m2assessment. Thank you.